What if one hidden engine part could destroy your entire engine without warning? I'm talking about the timing belt. Most drivers never think about it until it snaps. And when that happens, the repair bill can jump into the thousands. In this video, I'll show you the 5 most common warning signs of a failing timing belt, explain why they happen, and tell you when it's time to replace the belt before it's too late. Let's get started.
Before we look at the warning signs, let's quickly understand why the timing belt is so important. The timing belt keeps your engine's crankshaft and camshaft perfectly synchronized. This allows the intake and exhaust valves to open and close at exactly the right moment while the pistons move up and down. Think of it like the conductor of an orchestra. Every moving part has to work together in perfect timing. If the belt stretches, wears out, or breaks, that precise synchronization disappears, and serious engine damage can happen in seconds. That's why recognizing the early symptoms can save you from an expensive repair.
Sign number 1. Ticking noise from the engine. One of the earliest warning signs is a repetitive ticking or clicking sound coming from the engine. As the timing belt ages, it can wear unevenly or lose proper tension. Components around the belt may begin making unusual noises that become more noticeable while the engine is idling or during acceleration. Although other engine problems can also create ticking sounds, this symptom should never be ignored, especially if your timing belt is already close to its replacement interval. Sign number 2. Engine misfires or rough running. If your engine starts running rough or misfires, the timing belt could be one of the possible causes. When the belt stretches or slips even slightly, the camshaft and crankshaft fall out of perfect synchronization. As a result, the valves may not open at the correct time, affecting combustion inside the cylinders. You may notice rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, reduced responsiveness, or occasional engine shaking. If these symptoms appear along with other timing belt warning signs, it's time to have the vehicle inspected.
Sign number 3. Check engine light comes on. The check engine light doesn't always mean the timing belt is failing, but it can be an important clue. When valve timing becomes inaccurate, engine sensors may detect abnormal performance and store diagnostic trouble codes. That's enough to trigger the warning light. Never assume it's just a minor issue. Scanning the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner can help identify the underlying problem before it becomes much more expensive.
Sign number 4. Loss of engine power. Has your car suddenly started feeling sluggish? A worn timing belt can reduce overall engine efficiency by disrupting valve timing. Without proper synchronization, the engine can't produce power as efficiently as it should. You might notice slow acceleration, poor throttle response, reduced fuel efficiency, difficulty maintaining highway speed. If your vehicle feels noticeably weaker than usual, don't overlook the timing belt as a possible cause. Sign number 5. Engine won't start. This is the symptom every driver wants to avoid. If the timing belt breaks completely, the engine may crank but refuse to start, or it may stop running instantly. On many interference engines, a broken timing belt allows the pistons and valves to collide, potentially bending valves and causing severe internal engine damage. At that point, you're no longer dealing with routine maintenance. You could be facing a very costly engine repair, or even a complete engine rebuild.
How to prevent timing belt failure? The good news is that timing belt failure is usually preventable. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the timing belt at a specific mileage or time interval, often somewhere between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, depending on the vehicle. Always check your owner's manual for the recommended service schedule. Replacing a timing belt on time costs far less than repairing a damaged engine after the belt fails. Routine maintenance is one of the smartest investments you can make for your vehicle.
If you notice ticking noises, engine misfires, reduced power, a check engine light, or your vehicle suddenly won't start, don't ignore these warning signs. Getting your timing belt inspected early could save you thousands of dollars in engine repairs. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up
Subscribe to FixPro Garage and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive repair guides, maintenance tips, and DIY troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.